How to add another account in an Instagram bio. In order to add another account, add a link to the other account's profile. Use a service like Linktree to display multiple links, or else you could also do it with the help of your Instagram itself. That is, first thing first, open up the Instagram application, and the next thing you want to do is here come to the profile initials and then click the edit profile button, after which you could here see the bio, right? So what you need to do is over here, I'll just go ahead and mention the other account. So what you have to do is you want to make sure to type in @ and you have to go ahead and mention the particular account. Now for example, this is my account, and click on the tick button in the top of the page. Now then, when you go to the profile, you have the mentioned, or you have actually added another account in the Instagram bio. When you click that link, it's going to directly take you to the field. This is how the interface will look like. So this way you'll be able to add another account in Instagram bio. And if this method is not convenient for you, then you could also use third-party app like Linktree. That's going to help you out to display multiple links. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.